Are you dreaming of starting a side business but don't know where to begin? In just 8 minutes, we'll guide you step by step to turn that dream into a reality and unleash your inner entrepreneur. Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a side business. Whether you're looking to make some extra income or hoping to turn your passion into a full-time gig, this guide will help you make it happen. So let's dive right in. Step 1 is all about identifying that idea that's going to create this really successful side business for you. Step 1 is to identify your side business idea. Make a list of your skills, interests, and hobbies. Think about what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, and what problems you can help solve. Once you have a list, narrow it down to 1 or 2 ideas that have the most potential for success. Step 2 is all about the market research. You have to know exactly what your local customers or your target customers actually want if you're going to be able to deliver an effective side business to serve them. Now that you have your idea, it's time for step 2, market research. Investigate your target market to understand your potential customers and competitors. Ask yourself these questions. Number 1, who are my ideal customers? Number 2, what are their needs, pain points, and preferences? Number 3, who are my competitors and what are they offering? By answering these questions, you'll be better equipped to tailor your products or services to your target audience. Now, it's really important that you validate your idea. That means making sure that your idea is actually going to work. Let's talk about how to validate your idea. Step 3 is validating your idea. Before you invest time and money into your side business, it's crucial to make sure there's a demand for your product or your service. You can do this through the following means. Number 1, conducting surveys or interviews with your target audience. Number 2, offering a limited trial or beta version to gather feedback. Number 3, checking online forums or social media groups to gauge interest. If the feedback is positive, you're ready to move on to the next step. And step 4, of course, you're going to need a solid business plan. It's something that you're going to reference back to, share with others, and it's going to be an essential part of making sure that you have a solid plan to create a successful side business. Step 4 is developing a business plan. Even though it's a side business, having a clear plan in place is essential. Your business plan should include the following. First, you need an executive summary. Second, you need a company description. Third, you need to share your market analysis. 4, you need an outline of your products or your services. 5, you need a marketing and a sales strategy. And number 6, a financial projection. This document will serve as your roadmap and help you stay focused on your goals. Step 5, you need to set up a legal structure. This is going to help you protect yourself from personal liability, protect your personal assets, but also do things like make sure that you can have a clear tax structure and keep your finances organized. So let's talk about picking the right legal structure for your business next. The 5th step is setting up your legal structure. Choose the appropriate legal structure for your side business, such as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or an LLC. Each option has its pros and cons, so research each one carefully. Once you've made a decision, register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. And now you can have some fun and start thinking about the brand. And the brand is what's going to represent your business out in the world. Let's talk about how to create a winning brand for a successful side business. Now it's time for step 6, creating your brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from competitors and helps you connect with your target audience. Consider the following when developing your brand. First, choose a memorable business name. Number 2, design a professional logo. Number 3, determine your brand voice and messaging. Number 4, create a consistent visual identity across all channels. Remember, your brand is your business's identity, so make sure it accurately represents your vision. Step 7 is all about establishing an online presence. When consumers go to buy something, the first thing they do is research online. We need to make sure that you have a strong online presence for your side business to drive customers to you. The 7th step is establishing an online presence. In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential for reaching potential customers. You should start by first creating a user-friendly website with Mighty Sites. There's a free trial link right below this video you can click on to get started, no credit card required. Second, setting up social media profiles on the relevant platforms. Number 3, registering your business on Google Business Profile and online directories. By establishing your online presence, you'll make it easier for customers to discover your side business and engage with your brand. Step 8 is all about developing a marketing strategy. You've got to think over time, how are you going to consistently market and advertise your business and get customers to choose your business for the service or products that you offer. Step 8 is developing a marketing strategy. To drive sales and grow your side business, you need a plan to reach and engage your target audience. Your marketing strategy should include the following. First, content marketing, such as creating videos. Number 2, social media marketing. And third is email marketing. Fourth is networking and partnerships. 5 is paid advertising, if necessary. Remember to track your results and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your return on investment. And now let's let the fun begin. Step 9, it's time to talk about the things you need to do to launch your side business. Finally, it's time to launch your side business. With all your planning and preparation in place, you are now ready to introduce your products or services to the world. So you should start by first announcing your launch on social media and to your email list. Second, by hosting a launch event or promotion to start to generate buzz about your business. Third, reaching out to influencers or local media for coverage. 4, encouraging friends, family, and early customers to start spreading the word. Stay committed and focused on your goals and watch your side business grow. Okay, now it's time to wrap it all up. And that's it. Those are the steps to starting your very own side business. Remember, it's all about taking one step at a time and staying persistent. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching and good luck with your side business journey.